Hey, what's up everyone? It's B here with Kalimoto TV, and today we're back at A&S Motorcycles interviewing this 2019 Ducati Scrambler 1100S. I'm super stoked. I never ridden something like that. This is so far outside of my bike territory, but it's got an all-in suspension, Brembo brakes, so hopes are high. So let's take a look around the bike and get geared up and on the road. Alright guys, so before we get on the bike, I wanted to show you really some cool little things I noticed about it. First, the Ducati Scrambler emblem is really cool. It's really nicely done, and then the page up on it with the yellow orange racing stripes. It has a Born Free 1962 here on the gas cap. A really cool little detail. The seat is so nice. It looks really comfy. I'm excited to sit on it. Little racing stripe through there too. And then you have Ducati, really nice here. You'll definitely need K-Silvers for that. And then you have a little Ducati safety pack on it. And then you have the stripes again, Brembo's Oleans in the front. Very cool, very cool. Dual brakes, Ducati safety pack. And then look at this exhaust. What's going on here? This is so artistic. And again, here, this is really cool. Brembo's in the rear, so it's really pretty. If you show up somewhere, really cool. And the headlight, really cool too. Can you see the little Ducati here? And when you turn it on, it's like a halo. It's a really pretty bike. So I gotta find a key for it, but I'll see you in a moment. What's up everyone? And I acquired the key and off we go from A&S Motorcycles. So we're on the Ducati Scrambler. The seat is really comfortable. It's a bummer, but it really needs a windscreen. We're cruising at 49 right now, and there is a lot of weight on my chest. But a windscreen would just ruin the look of the bike, so I'm very conflicted about this whole situation. So what do you think? So seat, super comfortable. I love it, I love it, I love it. The bike is pretty big. I can just kind of tow it. I can't really stand it up too well, so I'm 5'6", so it's a little tall, but it's kind of light feeling. So I test drove the 1200S, and it was really big and I wasn't comfortable on it at all. And this is just slightly smaller, so to speak, and I really like it. It's really comfy. The seat is so comfortable. It's kind of like a ginormous couch. I love it. So thumbs up on that. Again, windscreen, I don't know how you would put a windscreen on that without ruining the bike. I think that's something just you have to deal with. It sounds absolutely amazing. I think this is one of the best sounding bikes I have ever ridden. It's rumbly, it's deep, it's mad, it's clicking and popping in the back. I don't know how much of the sound you guys get, but oh boy, I love it. It does vibrate a lot in a Ducati fashion, but it's really not bad. It's it just vibrates. It's not annoying. It's not it just kind of vibrates. It's there. But oh man, it sounds so good. So this is really not my cup of tea of bikes typically, but oh, I would ride this. So it has a lean suspension on it, so it's meant to kind of be able to turn around. I don't see why you would put leans on something that is just kind of for cruising along. It has Brembo brakes, so I actually grabbed a handful of brakes earlier, if you saw, and it's definitely got brakes. It's a really cool bike. I'm actually really shocked. I never ridden something like that. I didn't really know what to expect, but ooh, I like it. I love how it sounds. I love it. It's very interesting. So what's that? Fussing with the gearing. So it does come with traction control and ABS and all the bells and whistles to keep you kind of safe, which is great. I'm right now in city mode. That's what Ducati calls it. So we're in city mode, and the throttle control is really nice. It's not too torquey, it's not too angry, it's very calm, very nice. This is very, very cool. I do have biggest problems with Ducatis and changing out the modes. I just did it at the shop at A&S, but we'll see if I'll be able to change it on the fly, if I remember on which foot to stand. This is a really, I could totally see taking that on like a Sunday ride and jam through Berryessa and go get breakfast somewhere and then jam back. And yeah, this I love it. It's awesome. So it is a big boy bike. It has 1100 cc's. It's definitely got a power. It will definitely wheelie out of its own way. I like that, but it doesn't feel overwhelming. It feels very gentle right now. So, you know, that's the modes probably. I would love to switch it out. Let's see. Clutch lets out. So, as usual, my hands are a little short, so I have a hard time touching the clutch here. Like, if you can see, it's like just fingertips. So, it's a little hard. I would have to probably put aftermarket levers on it. So, little hands. Kind of standard problem for me. But boy, this is a really cute little bike. Well, kind of a big bike. So, it is comfortable. The tank is bulged out right kind of where my legs are. But I don't mind it. I don't mind it. Alright, so the first 2 seconds is a little longer. You gotta remember to kind of pull that through a little better. We're on a totally different route. I don't know where we're going or what we're doing. Oh boy, this thing sounds nice. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. There we go. So the first 2 seconds is a little long, but this is also a brand new bike, so it's just still breaking in. So I think actually this bike is like a good amount of dollars off. I think like $2,000. Ooh, you should take the advantage of that offer. It's cool. I can't get over all the little details on this bike and how cool it looks. And really, for being a 1100 cc bike, I don't feel like it's too big. I love it. It's perfect. It's really cool. All right, let's turn around here. Oh, and I guess we're already back. So So thank you guys for watching A&S. Thank you so much for letting us do those test rides. I love this bike. If you are not a beginner rider and you have some miles under your belt that you can control 1100 cc's, this is gonna be a very interesting bike. If I had the spare cash, I would buy one just because it looks absolutely cool and it really rides nice. I really didn't expect it to ride quite this nice, to be honest. I thought it would be heavier and more awkward to ride, but it's really cool. One weird thing I noticed is where the pegs go. They go behind my calf. Normally they don't, so this is a little different, but you know, I don't mind it. Again, the exhaust is so cool. It will definitely get a little hot probably in summer with all this here. I would put some I'll definitely put some something like, I don't know, maybe cooking cloths on your legs. But oh, this is really pretty, and it sounds so nice. It sounds so cool. Here, let me open the visor for you. Oh, it's beautiful. It's like music in my ears. So anyways, Born Free. I absolutely love it. I didn't expect this to be as cool as it is. And again, it looks so cool. There's so much attention to details. So if you're looking for one of those Ducati Scrambles 1100S, A&S has one. It is on sale. You should check it out. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Comment below if you have any questions or would us to write something in particular. A&S, thank you so much for letting us ride those motorcycles. And that's a wrap. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.